Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. After yesterday's frontal boundary move through the region, we see clearing skies this morning. We're going to see abundant sunshine throughout the remainder of the day. It will be a little bit cooler though than what we've seen over the last couple of days, with temperatures struggling to get into the 50s today. Taking a look at the current surface analysis, that front well offshore, and we have high pressure building in from the west. You can see nothing but quiet conditions across the eastern United States this morning as that high builds in. We're going to see slightly breezy conditions today, but nowhere near as windy as what we saw yesterday, with winds gusting up into the upper teens today for their max wind gust, with those winds out of a northwesterly direction. You can see here on the satellite radar composite with the winds overlaid, all those winds out of a west to northwest direction this morning, providing us with some much drier conditions as relative humidity levels down pretty low this morning in the 40% range. And we're going to continue to see dry conditions throughout the day today, with those temperatures again pretty cool compared to what we've seen over the last couple of days. Currently out there, just a few clouds at the 4,000 foot level. Another deck at the 25,000 foot level with unrestricted visibilities. Those northwest winds around 8 knots, temperature at 41 degrees, and a relative humidity at 45%. Looking at the next 24 hours, we're going to continue to see mostly clear conditions throughout the next 12 hours or so, and then as we get into the overnight period tonight, we'll see an increase in some cloudiness. That area of high pressure will quickly move through the region today and will shift offshore later tonight, bringing us more of a southerly to a southwesterly wind direction, and that will bring us some moderating temperatures as we go into Friday, as we see another cold front move through the region during the day on Friday. But that will be dry, so we are not expecting any precipitation along that frontal boundary on Friday. You can see the next couple of days looking at dry weather continuing into the day on Friday. We will see more cloudiness in association with that frontal boundary as it moves through, but the main effect will be the high winds that we are expected to see tomorrow. Winds will be gusting over 25 knots during the day on Friday, with those winds potentially over 30 knots at times during the afternoon. Looking at Friday night's forecast, expecting cloudy and breezy conditions. We'll see our next system start to move into the region by Friday night. We'll bring rain after midnight with a low temperature of 38 degrees. And as that front pushes farther off the coast on Friday, we see a pretty cold air mass begin to move into the region on Saturday. We'll continue to see those rain showers during the morning. And as that cold air filters into the region, we could see a transition to possibly some sleet, maybe even some snow before the precipitation comes to an end by Saturday evening. Not expecting any accumulation from this event if we do see any snow or sleet out of this system, but we are tracking the potential of seeing a brief changeover at the end. Temperatures should max out about 38 degrees during the morning, and then we'll see the temperatures falling into the low to mid 30s during the afternoon. So unfortunately, it's not going to be a very nice start to our weekend with those rain showers and chilly conditions on Saturday. That'll wrap it up for the daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.